Let's see how to create email template in this video. If you are sending the same type of email to your clients, you can create an email template and send them, without having to recreate them every time to send in Gmail account. Some of the examples email templates are email newsletter, promotional emails, staff emails. So let's see how to create email template in this video. First step, need to enable template settings. In Gmail account dashboard, we have to click the settings gear icon in the top. And again, click the See All Settings tab. Next, in the settings page, we need to click Advanced tab. And in this page, we need to click and enable templates option. And finally save the changes made in this page. Second step, creating the email template. In this video, I will be creating a thank you email template, which can be sent to newsletter subscribers. First, we need to click the Compose button and compose a regular email. We need to add the subject for the email. And below, we need to add the main content of the email in this box. To set up this email as a template, we need to click this 3-dotted More option. And in the menu, we need to select Templates tab. And click the Save Draft as a template. And next, we can give the template a suitable name. As this template is related to newsletter subscribers, so the template name very appropriate to that. In case the template is created to promote a product, then the template can be named as Product Promotion Template or something like that. And done setting the email template. Now let me show you how to send the thank you email. We can click the Compose button to open the email composing window. And next, we can enter the email address in the email account field. Now all we need to do is go to the bottom of email compose window, select the 3-dotted More option, and select the email template we want to use if we have more than one email created. I have only one template, the thank you template. And done, creating the newsletter thank you email using the email template. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.